Okay.
Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com and my friend Morgan here. You came in last week, right?
Yeah.
And we were talking, she was saying she wanted to get healthy. What did you come in for exactly?
Gluten-free.
Because she's gluten-free. Okay, so I told her to get the meal kit and I told her she'd probably also lose weight. And I told her you probably lose about 4 pounds this week because you can see her, she doesn't have much to lose. So you ended up losing how much?
6.5.
She lost 6.5 pounds, guys, in 1 week. So she's just another. Do you want to tell her anything else?
I just felt really, really good, and I felt super full, like more full than ever. And I had to force myself to eat all the food every day. So much.
There you go. Okay, guys, we love you. Look into the meal kit. Ask me about it. If you're interested in the meal kit, for $110, you get 6 turkey burgers, 8 wraps, 7 bombs or bars, and 7 mixes. So that's breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack for 7 days for you. And it works. And again, it works because you're eating low carb, low calorie, high protein. So at the end of the day, you're only eating about 1,000 calories a day, even though you're having breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And you're eating only about 12 net carbs a day. And it doesn't get cleaner than eating like this. Okay, guys? We love you. Visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. And you can also, if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.